Clevie Castle Estate is opened in 2019. In 2021 we were awarded the best hotel in Northern Ireland. My name's Mick Boyle. I live in Sydney, Australia, and along with my wife Robin, we're the owners and founders of Clevie Castle Estate. My family roots are very deep in Clevie. Both my mother and father were born in Clevie, and I was born in Clevie, and at the age of 4 immigrated to Australia. I've got lots of aunties, uncles, cousins that live here, so the family pull is very strong. I stayed connected to Northern Ireland over the years. I didn't really come back here till I was 21. I arrived back here on a trip that mother and father had sent me around the world with the addresses of all the relatives I had in the world. When I was over here in 2013, Clevie Castle Estate came up for sale, and it was the whole talk of the countryside. Clevie Castle is very close to where my father grew up and my grandfather lived, so I thought it would be nice to have a little piece of South Armagh that I would own. Having purchased the estate, flew over here to pick up the keys. Not that there was any doors that worked, but to have a look and make a plan. And we knew that the estate lent itself to being a hospitality venue. So we went on a process to develop what type of venue would have the best chance of success. All the children have been involved in the project. My daughter Sarah, she was actually the engineer on the castle, so she did a really lovely job. Minna, she worked helping set up the website, trying to get bookings for weddings. The youngest son, Joseph, came and lived here during the build, helping restore the farmlands and timber bridges throughout the estate. And my son Michael also was here as well. So it was a real family effort to get the project completed. There is such an amazing talent within this whole Newry, South Armagh, South Down area. Virtually every tradesperson came from that area. All the furniture, all the finishings, every single thing within the build was delivered by local people. It's wonderful to be part of the local community here in Clevie. We've created an opportunity for work and also a place where people can meet and celebrate and take their visitors who've come from all over the world to show them how special it is around here.